please have Jason come up here? As a civil right, I have a right to have this person that is on my card, the same person, come up here, please.
Okay. Hold on. I want to stay right here so she doesn't leave.
Perfect. So I'm not going to go anywhere. I'm going to step outside and smoke a cigarette if I can.
Call us about an hour or 2 hours ago saying that his card was used and it was stolen.
Yeah.
And I was like, at first, I'm like, I don't have that in here. And as I'm going through my system, she presented that card. She brought it down with me. It does say Jessica. It's not her name on
That
it.
is a lie, sir.
Okay. So Nez Perce County has already put a report out for this.
Okay, see, and I did months ago about these cards.
What
Months
cards?
ago. All of my debit cards, everything was stolen. It is a joint account. It goes to and she has my card. She has both my cards.
That's when I get back to you.
She has, no you didn't. Okay.
The one that was reported stolen, I took.
Okay. If you call on that Capital One, same as that's why I said I did not, it is the same account. And it is my name that is on there, not Jason. That is a authorized user on my account. That's why it says joint account. And if you could find Jason to come down here and talk to me,
I don't know who Jason
Okay,
is.
if he called, I would love to see him.
I don't know who he is. I don't know how to get a hold of him. But
But then he called here. He called up here. Then where's the phone number to contact
Ma'am,
him?
I don't have that phone number. He called. I don't even have caller ID.
Okay, that doesn't even make sense.
I assure you I
Okay, was it Jason that called? Okay, why is Jason calling about these cards?
I would love to see Jason
What's going on? So
because I'm calling about the same thing because
We get a
somewhere
report
there's some
of
issues in there.
We get a report of a theft that happened in the shop over in Lewiston, or not Lewiston, but cul-de-sac.
Okay. What about cul-de-sac?
And there's some card that was taken from there, and the person was used. That's what was reported on Nez Perce County.
No.
I'm just telling you the truth right now.
Okay.
You can say no all you want.
I understand that.
Okay.
No. Yeah, I completely understand that.
Okay.
Okay. So
So
I would love to speak with Jason.
okay, I'm going to
Because
call county.
if we look, yes, please.
Okay.
Can we please?
All right.
I would love for that.
Okay.
Because
so,
he knows where my mother is.
Okay.
Him and I have had, I would love to know.
Okay. So in the meantime, I am
because-
detaining you
Okay,
for what's
can I
going on.
smoke a cigarette, please? Please
Yes.
don't detain me.
So I am
If-
going to detain you.
Okay.
You can smoke a cigarette, you can walk out to the car with me,
Okay.
but you are being detained. Not
Okay.
under arrest, you're being detained for investigation of
Okay.
theft of credit card, okay?
I'm going to have my staff pack up your stuff, though, because I can't have you here either.
Can I actually please go grab it?
That's
I
the
don't.
officer.
We can work that out once I call, okay?
Okay, yeah, because
So-
I had no problems. The card that she used was the same card that goes to it because Jason, it's actually not one. That is a name that is put underneath the company from Holland and Hart. This is the attorney. You're more than welcome to contact them.
Okay.
I would love to see Jason.
So I'm gonna go make a call real quick. Hey, this is Officer All with the Clarkson Police Department. I am calling because I'm out with the potential suspect for a theft that happened in cul-de-sac. Deputy Candler was the one that talked with the police department previously. It's LaDonna. Alright, sounds good. I will place her into custody. Okay.
So this is actually a federal case. I have the will to it.
So here's the thing right now. So
I just went through this, literally just
he reported it stolen. So
just went through this not even a month ago.
Well-
with Michael, the other one that was on there that
Okay.
said that so this is gone.
well, at this time, it's a reported stolen card.
Okay.
So it's not your card.
Even though, okay. Well,
So I am placing you under arrest for possession of stolen property, okay? Can you stand up for me? Okay. Put your hands behind your back. vehicle. How much stuff do you have in your room?
I can call somebody to come get it.
Okay.
Can I call somebody to come get it really
Yeah,
quick? Can I please do that?
So once I get through all this, we can do that, okay?
Okay.
Okay. No, just stay right here.
I'll just have him. Okay. She gave me that back.
Okay.
That one has the company's name on it.
Okay, where's Justin's card at?
Justin or Jason?
This card.
Steve. That's funny. I don't know if she had it.
Okay, she might have it.
That's the one I thought I used.
Okay.
That has the company name before his name because it's an authorized signer. He is an they were authorized signers.
Okay, I'll have you sit in the vehicle. Do you want the windows rolled down?
Yes.
Okay. Hey. So, do I have all the cards and everything?
What was that?
I got all the cards and everything.
Perfect.
Okay, how much was spent on the card?
It was authorized for $165.59. So I'm checking her out. It will go back on the card, so nothing will be charged. It was
Okay.
authorization only.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Hello, this is Jason. Hey, Jason, this is Officer Hall with the Clarksville Police Department. So I was able to get your card back. What's your relation with her? What'd she steal in the shop? You want to press charges, right, for her having possession of your credit card? I haven't looked through the bags yet. If I find more keys, they'll be placed into safekeeping.